Here we are asked to make f the subject. The opposite of divide by f minus 4 is to multiply both sides of our equation by f minus 4. On the left-hand side, therefore I'm going to have d multiplied by f minus 4. And on the right-hand side, I know that multiplying by f minus 4 and dividing by f minus 4 are the inverse, so therefore they'll cancel out. Therefore I'm just left with the numerator, which in this case is 3, and in brackets 1 minus f. Expanding the single bracket on each side of my equation. On the left-hand side, whatever's directly outside, I multiply by each term directly inside. D times f will give us df, and d times negative 4 will give us negative 4d. On the right-hand side of our equation, again we've got a single bracket. Whatever's directly outside, we multiply by each term directly inside the single bracket. 3 times 1 gives us 3, and 3 times negative f gives us negative 3f. As we want to make f the subject, I currently have df on the left-hand side, and I've got negative 3f on the right-hand side. As I want f to be positive, I'm going to bring the negative 3f across to the left. By doing the inverse, the opposite of minus 3f is to add 3f to both sides. At the same time, I notice I can move the minus 4d, that does not have the letter f, to the right-hand side. By doing the inverse, opposite of minus 4d will be to add 4d to both sides. Collecting like terms, on the left-hand side I've got df plus 3f. I know that negative 4d add 4d will cancel. And on the right-hand side I've got 3 plus 4d. As I know that negative 3f and plus 3f will cancel. I can't simply add df and 3f together because they're not like terms, because like terms are the same combination of letters. As I want to make f the subject, I now factorise out the letter f. So I factorise out f into single brackets. I'm going to do, what do I times f to go back to df? I'm missing d. What do I times f to go back to 3f? I'm missing plus 3. And the right-hand side I've still got 3 plus 4d. My final step is I know in front of the bracket, f, that means multiplied by, in brackets, d plus 3. As I want to get f by itself, the opposite of times by d plus 3 is to divide both sides of our equation by d plus 3. Therefore, on the left-hand side, timesing by d plus 3 and dividing by d plus 3 will cancel, to leave us with single f, which is what I wanted. And on the right-hand side, I'm going to have 3 plus 4d over d plus 3.